I'm your host Nadia Khan. Welcome to Nambardar TV. Here are the top stories making headlines today. Rawalpindi and Islamabad have received over 60 millimeters of rainfall, according to WASA MD. The heavy downpour has caused disruptions in the cities, with many areas experiencing waterlogging and traffic congestion. In a surprise move, Deputy Prime Minister Ishak Dar has sent a letter to the Nobel Committee in Norway, recommending President Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize. According to Dar, President Trump's efforts to defuse the Pakistan-India crisis make him a worthy recipient of the prestigious award. So, 696 more Pakistanis have been repatriated from Iran amid regional tensions, bringing the total number of returnees to 7,519 since June 12. The repatriation effort is ongoing, with the government working to ensure the safe return of its citizens. The conflict between Iran and Israel continues to affect Balochistan, with the border shutdown halting Iranian imports and, triggering a fuel and goods crunch. The situation on the ground remains tense, with many businesses and residents really feeling the impact. Pakistan has called on the United Nations Security Council to help end the Iran-Israel conflict, emphasizing the need for swift negotiations to prevent further escalation. The government is working closely with international partners to find a peaceful solution to the crisis. Weather update. More rain is expected in the Twin Cities today, with the Met Office warning of potential flash flooding. Business news. The Karachi Stock Exchange has seen a surge in trading activity, with many investors showing interest in the manufacturing sector. Stay tuned for further updates and breaking news. We will keep you informed as the situation develops.